Sotho family, welcome to the other video of Kari Brothers and Kari Brothers YouTube channel. So today we have the new guest somewhere here. Okay, you guys, so we are here to do a challenge that is called Never Have I Ever. But before we go to that challenge, we are going to let these two bros to introduce themselves.
Oh, who knew you paid that?
So you guys, if you are new in this channel, kindly click some red button somewhere here below and kindly subscribe. Kindly like the video before watching and kindly comment. Just say anything that you see positive in the comment section. So let's begin with this challenge. Okay, you guys, at this point in time, we forgot to say that each one of us is going to take one question per time and read loudly for us, starting with the words never have I ever. Now you can see the boy is struggling to say never have I ever before reading this phrase. And you can see he's smiling at the side. Now things are just bad for the boy. He's still practicing, and you take a little session with the boy so you can get ahead with the video and listen to the boy as he struggles to say never have I ever. Bala him.
Never have I.
Never have I ever.
Never. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Never have I ever walk with my zipper down in the pocket.
I have. Kinana ntho abos tinani mos nina lo ile wala ke tloa ka tlung nina lo ile wala ke tloa ka tlung ke kena sekolong kuku ha ke fika sekolong emsa mos le bang no ang hopoza he I'm going Brazil, like you like and they get a show like if man do a public give me let's see. So let's go to the second question. Can numbers name? Yo, man. Never have I ever suspended from school. Aye. Like a suspend. Okay, I have no. Like a suspend. Kim Lamley, you have okay.
Never have I ever eaten quickly before my siblings came home.
Nna ke ntone ke seketsa mehlena o la ka wa jana pele bana ba haeno ba fitla ka tlong etse shong o tla o ya yetsa tshwetsa monna le ba ska hana le bo ya yetsa tshwetsa monna
He's actually
oh ya yetsa okay are re kala ka wena no etsala
on the class ke la pilora nana stina hlofa galo ntse tla fitla late and o se tsele ka one la nama
so ka ke kholo o so o hlobola ka o hlobola
ai so hlobola ka pekele ne ke ka tshilise ka peke
okay na ha ke jene di siblings sa ka se feel except mhlomong ha ka ba o teng mhlomong but dijo a ke di like how thing something like the snacks, the chocolate, the sweet yabo ke yona ntse ba nketsa sure pele ba fihla ke
na every day ke dutse ndino na bot afela go go check la me o ja kyatla
so o ja o bed o ska yela boto a tanga mo
nyanyane di setse di lenyane ya di ja ke
okay, I have to question. Question. Sit left and think about questions. It's a car queen. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever
stolen money from home.
Asamshana isona lo wena zanto ulishana la kayetsa ulishana la kayetsa no santo mo la kayetsa
sinna saga never.
I have not so yes into kiona ntse so ke ntona ekitsang ka matla ke tsoki wa ene ke utso
le nna
ene ke utsa ke tsoki re bo se ke re bona ne ke ja like tsoki ne ke ja live
le di fruit
ke tsona ya bo ntse tse utso ha not chelete
ya bo fruit ile ka tsabewa mo no tseno ha di jeo ke tlo kgetha tsebe ke tla di jwang ka pa jwang.
Okay, question you kanka itilela ka never have I ever spilled my dirty clothes to check it or to check them if they are sweaty and wear them again. Tshwana ha ya topo o ke phaletsa tse tsila o di khisa o di bela di khela o be sentile mone bo hlopo na tshedi e tsa kwela tsa mona tshedi yetsa kwela tshedi ali nai ha motho ata nna dumelle ko ata ko tla tsa hanga da mo. Okay, nna nthono like kina na ke tla lo sane ho ba o ka so nthono ke etsa how to like kina lo washing engata ne mo hlale to le re ke tsamaya ona tjeng yabo so ke fihle hore okay ke first ile hore ke tsamaye ke mo lo ka ke a batla nna ho ya mona mo tlameleng ke eteng yabo so ke a etsa nthono ke etsa the situation tse bang ke tlameng wena o etsa ka shit ya school yo wena etsa ka
shit ya school wena school
okay
wena school aso o etsa ka shit ya school
na bo dema se kamera
o etsa ka he wena
ne o go utu no nigetse la kala bra
but sing every day
oh ya etsa mbane
ya etsa bona ka tsala e re khutle o bata school nga jelle ene shit e1 ho sa nik ta tlamela ke tini shit school Felix ga hlatswa se ga reng ke be se ifuqa
how to sing o tso ngigise o go na e nna ka twa idea
nna ke lo o ne ke se la boraro ka mqobela ka sorry ya matakelo e mo le mo atla lo ke sentho tsa hae yabo ke okay ka bapala ka chini ka
bapala ka chini o tla ba ga ntho go o tsa itse itsila ka buso ke ba bache ke ba ha ke nna ke nkile nna
go ena go bona ntho khisa ra Never I have ever spilled in a swimming pool.
Pit go like ha ke re sesa mo o tloe mona go ground o lo go tla ka swimming pool ya tswana maka le lo ya tswana lo tla itse ya tswana ya serious ya tswana lo ya mshana phe
ba kse yetse nna ntwe ya tswana mara kse yetse
ya ka metse go sore ke mo
ana ke yetsa nna ke yetsa ntwe nna ke yetsa o ya yetsa hlena na ska na ke yetsa ntwe
ke lo la le tuba yetsa
ai ntwana na ko ntwana ha ihloke le hore inene explain ntwana ke nature brother ya iketsalla ntwana je o tlo go ha o tswa ke mo go thola ka ntlo sengpula mara immediately ha o kana ka metsing o rote ka mo sehle mona ska hana
ha ke so rote hle batho
ko ela ka ana mo motlo nka e se se ka ke ko o nkile 35 na nyena o tla mo ka ba
chebelo na ke le mo
o tla mo ka hae bala and ke hopola le mhlana yetsa
never have I ever fought in public space with someone else.
Also it's into o sho
remind me.
Okay I can hope to get up phamisa okay
remind
I have not okay mamela we hopola mhlangu o phofu neskendelwana mhlangwana itla hopola mhlangwana le 100 links ka jenwana
mambe
ya hopola le mshimana nomthipo o re tsala neskendelwana ke jere ke tsoke re neskendelwana okay nna re le high school ne o teng mthako mo mthaka na ntina ko go 19 mthakane je straight antina yabo yeah. So he ha tlameha, and I think ne re attendile di afternoon classes tsa maths re attendisitswe ke principal re ma grade 12 kaofela. So bra ntone etsale mane ne ine be ile fair because mthakane o na fitli ke dutse di deskeng tse ka pela bo anka buka ka bo ha ka tatsa ma out la morao textbook ne di shota textbook di lenyana stina at that time. So mthakane o ha tlameha ke react ka tsela engwe because ke ne ke se umdleng yabo and ke ne ke se right bra that day yabo. So ka motla a ke be ka like re le ke ga lwana because a ka ba ga lwana ela ba nna e bang ke misa tso pele because ne ke tinile ke ntwana yena ne sa right ha go kwa ha
na le la back pop pencil case
Go school.
After scale yabo no na le chelete ka mane chat 10 rand ne ke pele ke sa ja ntlo wale ka ga tshware peke ka click mo in class ka sia lona ka ntle
umsia le pencil case ena le chelete
ya ke ne ke sa nanela jalo ka bula a fihla ha o chelete mo ka okay ka thola ka tsela ke msito ra fihla yo ha o tsa skela yo I'm not botlotla
a ke tsa tsa
Go tlotla ba chelete ya hao.
a wotla le okay he kin ya kin na che ya ana ke fin question e kainga yo never have I ever removed put in poso itimo
A swallow in public.
Never have I ever removed a swallow in public. It's like in swallow. It's like in swallow. It's like in swallow.
Mazat.
Go to pela. Like it's open in public. I can take it and go. I have.
No, them go jetse. It's everything and
How ba no it's a have.
Most take in school. Ke tema be ya tsang ke tsa lena ke. Felix e grand na le sponsor tsengata.
Bra ntwana lona yetsa ntwana.
Ha ba ke.
Ha ba yetsa ntwana mshana. Uyayetsa because ntwana ivele iyetsa le muthu nye molle mo ntwana. Yabo. And bra kana kana iyetsa la kate ya uchuchisa go tlonga ma. Go tlonga bana. Sexual bra ntwana ke ntwa ya iketsa la like lo mang ya etsa lona ya etsa ntwana.
na ra go pole ka pole
ha o pole ne ya ke batla ntwana go ha o pole but ya o etsa halla yona.
Na ga tsotso ja.
Okay nka ha I actually don't remember.
Never have I ever I loved you.
Said.
Oh, never have I ever said I love you too, and I didn't mean it.
You have not?
I haven't.
Ulshan. Anna sometimes ntwana go ya iketsalla jebra ntwana ya iketsalla ke a tseba mohlomong motho ha re I miss you ne ke re lena I miss you too ga te ke tseba ga ke mo gopole tu
go I love you mona ro I miss you
lo I love you bra ke yetsa ntwana ne lo I love you ke yetsa ntwana ku tlo ya bona he a tsena ke yetsa ntwana because ke batla ke mohlomong ke batla go tsofatsa motho yene yabo and ke bona le ka tsela ba se la attracted go nna so ke re YouTube ga te ke bua shana
a profile nna ke ntwe ke yetsa
ko ena mo
ana se ke yetsa lona
watch
ngwane nyene ke chetha le nna mbore
uyetsa qho are ko ena he ankang
ke ne o kotela
kwana moganga oh bien
Okay, never have I dropped something and take it back to my mouth.
Especially especially hide the peanuts mo re hlaise hao I have not. Nantwane ne ke etsa nthong e bang ha ya wana ko tilile bo like ntho ha e wa ka phoso go vela re ile ka boy for 5 minutes kapa 5 seconds yana e dutseng fatshe bra ha iso fumana ditsela trust me
we bona
ke o tina ke na botho ke a etsa nantho nabo haholo a bona di sweet
yeah di sweet
wa se class go bone class bo fa ke bua ntho le monse
okay
class le monse na bo ka pilota Sotho o se etsa na nga stock sweet sa ngwana ka da os card
okay
so a tlo ba sebetsetsa ka ntlo fela first re ngwa bo Jenga ka be phama ke mo shitsa ne ke mem kopa ya toilet ka re ke longa sweet yana wa tseba na class banana ke tlo bapa ka nga sweet ka yo hlatswa ka go tla class
ave ka
na maskela bona yo na bona na maskolo I was especially with my desk am I wa fela
ene bra ke that moment go lapileng too much go bona dijo ga kala kana kwana e lapileng too much na bona lo ba go thwe mohlomong di temos dintho tse bang ha di khone ho le like bo di rice ya bo di papa ha di khone ho le tsona but ntho e je ka nama ai nama ke tlwele bra nama ke tlwele ke tsa show ya go ke ya yona so ya kwena bokamoso
ke na
and then okay let's about it
na I na re botsitse
re botsitseng so which means
ke ke ne jwang
ke la bona like ona ke go la no di entsa shino kopantsa
so ka beska ka okay so guys if you enjoyed this video kindly click some red button somewhere here below and kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and to comment down here below. Do not forget to comment. Actually guys, we love you so much and you can follow this one. It's this one. Okay, you can also follow me on Kekeletso on Instagram and Junior Kradi on Facebook, and you can also follow me in our social media, Twitter. You can also follow me on Twitter at Kekeletso, but I'm gonna put this information somewhere here below so that you can easily so guys, thank you for joining us and stay tuned so that we can just hang up with you.